Hello everybody, I'm Adam from IPFL. We provide a manufacturing service using CNC machining, fabrication and 3D printing techniques. We have a range of materials and processes that mean that we don't have to shoehorn your application into a particular material or process. We can use the right equipment and the right material for your job. For many design and development teams, the challenge is often moving quickly in response to their customer requirements. With a range of equipment that we've got, we can act quickly, we can get the right parts to you on time. We support companies from the first concept all the way through to batch production parts. That can mean we use the 3D printing techniques, we can go through to CNC processes, and then we can also deal with the project management, handing off to injection mold teams for the production runs as well. If you're developing a system, a device, a microfluidic, or a new product, get in touch with the IPFL team and we will help out.